This is Antigravity, one of the best tools in the market right now for vibe coding. This is their landing page. It says experience lift off with the next generation IDE. It's on download for Windows. There's a download button here. You can check out their pricing, resources, products. Okay. Use cases for professional front end or full stack. Their pricing goes like this. We have an individual pricing 0 per month, but there's a limit. Generous weekly rate limits. Agent model access to Gemini Pro Flash Cloud Sonnet Opus 4.5 GPT OSS 120 bytes. And you also have developer plan. So you have to also actually click to get the plan. Team plan. So all these ones are paid. This is free. So you still have a generous weekly rate limit. That's the most important thing you need to know. So going back to the interface, feel free to go through the whole landing page and explore. But the most important thing is, how do you get to Antigravity? So how do you get to this point? Once you go to Google and you type Antigravity, so this takes you to this interface, and when you get here you just download. And once you download, you install the software and you're going to get something like this. Okay, so we're going to explore this interface right now. So we're just going to expand this. Hold on, I need you to see this icons here. So you have this, you have this, you have this. So understand that Antigravity is divided, has 3 different parts, right? One is the editor interface. 2 is this browser here. This open browser allows you to actually, so this is an AI that actually tests your app as you are working on it by the side. So but we won't be going into that right now. So the next thing you need to understand is that there is also what they call Open Agent Manager. So this is how you actually plan your projects. In this Open Agent Manager, you can deploy several agents and they're working as you work as well. So, and you can have several projects under Open Agent Manager. So you can have several agents working on the same projects, and you can also work on several projects at the same time in Open Manager. But we will not be talking about that now. Okay, you can also clone your repository here. So what we need to just do is identify everything here and what they can do. So first things first is that you have to create a project or open an existing project. So when you click on open folder, you can create a new project. Just go to the location where you want it to be and you click on and you can rename the folder. Then you open it, select folder and open. So this is it here. So while we wait for this part to load, we can actually explain what's happening on every other part. So at the top here you have this panels, closes this side, then this one brings up this terminal over here. So you can close it, and this is for the right side as well. And this is So this use this keyboard shortcuts for to show and run commands. Use this to go to symbol in editor. Okay, and I might not be able to show you some other things, right? So but this is for switching to agent manager. This is for code and agent. This is for edit code inline. Also, when you start coding, it's basically going to show down here, because this is the name of my project. So this is what it's going to show, and this is the outline. This is the timeline. This is how your interface is going to look like. So but I might have to make another video when this part loads up to show you what it looks like.